Namaste. Today I am in British Columbia in Victoria. It's very beautiful, but quite windy here. Let's see how that goes. And we are doing meditation for peace, for harmony. For that one, let's sit down into easy, comfortable pose. Hands to your knees. Touch index finger with your thumbs, eyes closed. Please follow my instructions. Soften your shoulders. Relax your face. Little more relax your face and facial muscles. Let's feel your breathing. Few deeper breath here. Let's longer exhale. Longer inhale. Longer exhale. Happier inhale. Longer exhale. Happier inhale. One more time, longer exhale. Longer inhale. Exhale and soft your breath. Relax your breathing. Calm your mind. Just feel peace. Peace is within you. Peace surround of you. Peaceful is your nature. Peaceful is your nature. Let's chant as you exhale peace. Repeat silently, inhaling peace. Exhaling Shanti. Shanti means peace. Inhaling Shanti. Exhaling Shanti. Inhaling Shanti. Exhaling peace. Inhaling peace. Exhaling Shanti. Inhaling Shanti. Just continue yourself for a few more times. Now soften your breath. Just gentle smile. Gentle smile. Continue. Continue soft breathing. Just feel your peace. expanding. Every moment is getting deeper and deeper into peace. Peace brings bliss, joy. Peace brings harmony in our life. Beautiful. Let's bring palms in Namaskar Mudra. One Om, three Shanti together. Inhale. Om. Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Peace within you. Peace surround of you. Peace everywhere for everyone. Lots of blessings to you. Namaste. And you do this practice every day, 3 and 4 times. Namaste. You're very welcome to Akhanda Yoga YouTube channel. I'm very proud of you, your deepening yoga practice. Well-being is your birthright. I really like you to join free online platform. There is a beginner to advanced hundreds of yoga videos. Kundalini Yoga, Raj Yoga, Yoga Nidra, Pranayam, many videos are there. I'm really looking forward to practice with you there. Hari Om.